Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. Amma ba'd. Qala Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala fil kalam al-majid wal furqan al-hamid. Ba'da a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sanukrihuka fala tansa. في مقام آخر قال الله تبارك وتعالى إنا نحن نزلنا الذكر وإنا له لحافظون. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بلغوا عني ولو آية. My brother Hazrat Maulana Hafiz Sahab, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah. How to increase memory power? हाफजा कैसे ज़्यादा करें? Number one, first of all, we have to increase in us the love of the ilm, love of Hifz Quran. If the person don't have love to become Hafiz, you cannot force him. That's the foundation. You love something, you will try to get it. Some Hafiz start becoming Hafiz, the daddy, mommy want, they become Hafiz. So we want to go to Jannat. When Hafiz don't want it, they are being pushed. So first, the child should also love to become Hafiz. Otherwise, don't waste time of your time and teach your time. Number two, we should morning, evening, after salat or farz, we should make du'as related to the hifz. Number one, Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. Number two, Allahumma Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. That is dua. Number three, when you are studying ilm deen, you should study silently with understanding. But when you want to become Hafiz, you have to speak a little louder. Otherwise, you may become silent Hafiz that you cannot understand the masala. The way you become Hafiz, the way you will behave. Simple. Hifz need concentration of the mind. That you can increase one method through muraqabah. You know what muraqabah we do? Meditation. Meditation will increase your concentration power. Number five, be away from sour stuff, sour food, especially Hazrat Banauri Rahmatullah Alayhi used to say that never eat sour apple. Number six, you have to save your eyes. With the same eye you read Quran Majid, become Hafiz, save your eye from negative social media. Now you know everything what I mean. Negative part of social media, internet. And also be away from idle talk, idle job, don't waste the time. Number 7, in In the night time, put in the water 7 pieces of almond. In the morning, peel up and eat those 7 almond. But I will say consult the doctor, medical doctor. Maybe you have to take 5. It will increase your memory. Morning, evening, make 1 tasbih of Darood Shareef. Tasbih of Darood Shareef increase also memory. Do you know that? If sometime in daily social life we forget something, right we say Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad, you will remember it. Yes, experience. Number 9, if you happen to go to Mecca Mukarramah, or you get over here Abe Zamzam, so why? After drinking Abe Zamzam, make dua for your memory power. Number 10, take some water. Awwal, 1 time Darood Ibrahimi, in the end, 1 time Darood Ibrahimi, in between 786 times. Say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim with voice. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillah, 786 times. Blow on the water, drink that water, blow on your body also, on your head also, like this. It is also mujarrab. Number 11, Surah Alam Nashrah. Write down Alam Nashrah and put in the water. It will dissolve, then drink it. But make sure not black ink, not blue ink, but little bit of saffron. Saffron. Write with the saffron, Surah Alam Nashrah, and then wash it in the pot of water, drink it. This is very, very good prescription. Panacea. Some ulama says there are 7 ayat. If you write on 7 pieces of the bread and then write over it and then you eat those pieces of bread. I have written over here. Anybody need, I can give him photocopy on your, right? So I can read us ayat. Bismillah. Sanukriyuka fala tansa on the Monday. Tuesday, innahu ya'lamu al-jahra wa yakhfa. On Wednesday, la tuharrak bihi lisanaka litajala bih. On Thursday, inna alayna jamahu wa Qur'ana. On Friday, faiza qara'nahu fattabi Qur'ana. And on Saturday, fata'ala Allahu malikul haq. And on Sunday, Rabbi zidni ilma. Each day, write this also mujarrab, experienced by the ulama ikram. And then be away from minor sins. Because if you commit the sin, it will dissolve your memory. Quran leaves you. Quran cannot stay in the dirty mind and dirty heart. Moreover, after every salat or after the recitation of Quran, make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And also ask your teachers, your parents, they should make dua for you. You understand? Now about dua, one is Hazrat made dua. Daddy, make dua. And he don't want it. You bother mommy. Now afternoon you say, mommy, make dua. Mommy cannot say no. You disobeying the teacher. Then afternoon you say, Hazrat, make dua. He will make dua. He cannot say no. This is to make somebody to make dua for you. No. That dua is not good. That dua is accepted, which you don't tell party make dua. They make dua themselves. How? By serving the teacher, by serving daddy and mommy, by helping daddy and mommy. They become happy and dua come out automatically. One day I was there. One student came to me. He's not here now. He said, Hazrat, you got tired? No. He started pressing. I don't know him. He's not my student. Understand? Himself, he felt I'm tired. He stood here, mashallah. After that, दिल से दुआ लगी मेरे. एक दुआ लेना, एक करवाना. दुआएं लिया करो. You understand? खिदमत करके. And the last thing, I tell the Hufaz to keep a very, very good hifz. You can try. पांचों वक्त नमाजों की सुन्नत और नवाफल में एक रुकू हर रकात में पढ़ा करें. जो डेट हो, what date it is? What date today? Tell me.
4/21 or 4/20?
What date today? Date?
Thursday.
Huh?
Thursday.
Date?
20th or 21st?
20th.
20th. What date is? That Jews pick up. And all 5 salat, not further, because we are behind me. Your sunnah and nafal, read your whole juz. On 21 date, tomorrow, read 21 juz. First rakat, first ruku. Second rakat, second ruku. Third rakat, third ruku. Understand? In the salat, in your salat, nafal and your sunnah salat. Your salah, hafiz salat with Qul wal ahad, I don't recommend it. Qul wal ahad for a person like us. For hafiz, the same separa. That is not good hafiz. Who 10 months, he don't study. On 11 month, 1 month before Ramadan, Mommy, don't talk to me. He's day and night, he's reading day. What is that? Whole year become hafiz, remain hafiz. Understand? Every month be your Ramadan. How you like it idea? For hafiz, every month should be Ramadan. Then you become pakka hafiz. Inshallah. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.